We can start by working on structure in the lower body, and basically I'm just going to be in a medial facing stance, and I'm going to allow my proximal third of my forearm to engage gently with the lateral aspect of the lower leg. We can definitely come in sort of cradling the upper thigh here to counteract perhaps leaning and leveraging a little bit more into the posterior aspect of the gastrocs. And here we sort of rock from our heels to our forefoot, and that rocking of changing where we pressurize through our feet will articulate up the entire frame of our body. And perhaps coming with both forearms now, gently shearing inferiorly as you stabilize the tissue superiorly. So really nice.